how to change your Apple TV Plus password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Apple TV and make sure that you're logged into your account. You can either use the website version or use the application version. And then from here, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on sign in and security. So in here, again, tap on your account right here. And then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on sign in and security. And then from there, you'll need to select your password, right? So of course, in here, you have to remember that you'll also be changing the password of your Apple ID alongside with your Apple TV password. So you need to remember that the process are all going to be same. So like I said, all you need to do is now enter your current Apple ID and password, and then type in your new password in order to confirm it. And then you can tap on change password, and just like that, you'll successfully be able to change your Apple TV Plus password. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.